Here's a simple technique that you can use any time of the day to improve your posture, to calm and balance your nervous system, to relax your body and mind, to reduce lower back, mid back, neck pain, and even headaches, and to open up through the shoulders and free up your shoulders. It's a very simple technique. I recommend it to patients all the time in the clinic. So take a towel, fold it up into 4, and then roll the towel up. So you've got like a mini roller. So this towel, you're going to lay it on your back, and it's going to go from the base of your neck or top of your shoulders to where your ribs finish, the lower part of your ribs. So laying on that towel, if you need to, you can put a pillow or a folded up towel underneath your head to support your head. If not, it can just lay onto the ground. Another option, I'd invite you, if you would like, to bring your knees up. If that's more comfortable, you can even take your heels out to the side, bring your knees together. The other option, my preferred option personally, is to just have my legs straight out. Your arms, ideally you're bringing them up so that they're straight out to the side. If you have any discomfort with that, you can place your arms in any position beside you, anywhere up towards that area. That helps to really open up the chest. And in this position, you're going to hold for as long as you feel is appropriate for your situation, but I recommend about 10 minutes. It's a great exercise to do before bed, to relax you, do it beside the bed, and then just jump straight into bed when you're finished. It'll get you in a really beautiful, relaxed state before sleep. So this exercise is amazing for opening up through the chest. As you can see, just mechanically that position there. It will also take us out of that bent forward thoracic kyphosis that we can get into if we're fatigued or sitting for long periods of time. So it can open up through there and take pressure off the neck because it's taking our head backwards and it's taking us out of that forward head carriage that we can tend to get into, like tech neck, doing things in front of us, like being on devices and cooking, prepping, food, that kind of thing. So laying in that position, if you want to really increase the benefits of this, especially to your nervous system, to your quality of your tissues, then you can bring in some breathing exercises with it. So the one that I recommend regularly in clinic to patients in this position, or even any time of the day in any position, is a long exhalation breathing exercise. So the way you do that, you're breathing in through the nose for the count of 1 or 2, 3 or 4, whatever you're most comfortable with. And then breathing out nice and slow to twice the length that you breathe in. So really slow breath out. So you could say, for example, a breath in for 2 counts and a breath out for 4 to 6 seconds. When you breathe in, just taking a normal breath size in and then just slowing that exhalation. Always breathing through the nose if that is comfortable for you. And just always bring yourself back to your breath. If your mind wanders, which it naturally will, then you just bring it back to the breath. No judgment. Just fully supporting your body and allowing your skeleton to relax over that towel. Bring yourself back to your breath. And it is that simple to calm your nervous system, relax your body and mind, improve your posture, and reduce pain. So if you'd like this one and you'd like to look at other exercise videos or other health information, please check out my website or also the rest of the videos in the YouTube channel. Bye for now.